head of MI7.
Johnny English.
Have a seat. You've been away for some time, English. But you haven't been forgotten.
Come on.
People here often talk about your adventures in Mozambique. Well, MI7 has come a long way since then. The guns, the fast cars, and the chauvinism are all on their way out. Frankly, I didn't want to see you back. You are everything I came into this service to change. But my hands are tied. And there are times when one has to go against one's. We have a situation.
Indeed. There's a good puss. There's a good puss. There's a good pussy. Who's a good pussy?
I'm impressed.
Who's a good pussy?
Phil, we never let strangers pick him up.
Oh, I'm very much at one with the animal kingdom. There's a good puss. I know. Who's lovely? Who's lovely? Who? We're all lovely.
Kate Sumner, our behavioral psychologist.
I've heard a great deal about you.
Glowing reports, I trust. Tell me, Miss Sumner, what exactly does a behavioral psychologist do?
Monitor observable behavior for signs of internal psychology. We read people.
Ah. Well, we must get together sometime. I think you'll find me a real page-turner. So, Pegasus, this situation.
Ex-CIA agent Titus Fisher has contacted us from Hong Kong. He has intelligence of a plot to assassinate the Chinese premier at the Anglo-Chinese talks next week. We need you to go and find out what he's got.
Well, in that case, Pegasus, count me in.
Agent 1 will meet you downstairs.